Following the trend is by far the most popular way to profit when trading using any strategy. But does that mean it's the only way to trade? Of course not. Just like everything that has a beginning has an end, a trend in the market also has a beginning as well as an end. And at the point where the trend comes to an end, the market usually presents an opportunity to make massive profits during the reversal of that trend. Yeah, that's right. Trend reversals are also one of the ways to make profits in the market. By identifying or predicting the exact point of a trend reversal, we're able to take advantage of new trends before they even begin. But there's only one major problem. Identifying the exact point of a trend reversal is always easier said than done. The solution to this problem is the trend reversal strategy, like this one that I'm going to showcase in this video. When implemented correctly, it can help you make massive gains by capitalizing on trend reversal moves like this one or this one and even this one. Let's get into it. Let's add the core indicator of this strategy. On the indicator search tab, search for the fair value bands, this one by Quantify Tools. Now, fair value bands work by showing dynamic points in price where the behavior is considered normal or not normal. This means it indicates when the price is trending at or around the mean. This middle line is right here, which is considered the fair value. It also indicates when the price is deviating from the mean, indicating that the price is outside of what's considered fair value. This basically means the further away the price gets from this middle line, the higher the probability of it coming back or the trend reversing entirely. This is the basis of our trend reversal strategy. Now, looking at the setting of this indicator, we can see that there are a lot of customizations, but the first one that we're going to change is the data source. We're going to be using the close price of a simple moving average. There are also other options including the VWAP, median, and so on. And then to make the bands more sensitive to the price, we're going to reduce the length of the SMA to 5. Then on the style tab, we're going to uncheck everything except for these two options right here: extreme fair value deviation band upfill and extreme fair value deviation band downfill. After that, increase the color's opacity to 50%. And then click OK. In a bullish trend, every time the price approaches or touches this upper band, this indicates an overbought market condition. This is the place where the majority of traders usually enter their short positions with the goal of making money as the price comes back down to the center and beyond. This strategy may work perfectly in a ranging market where the price is moving back and forth every single time. In a strong trending market like this one, this isn't feasible for obvious reasons. Every time the price enters the upper band, it does a little pullback but ends up continuing in the direction of the overall trend. As you can see here, taking trades this way would result in a lot of losses. To avoid this, we're gonna add another tool called reversal indicator. This one by Strategical Charts. Now, this tool uses the famous Bollinger Bands indicator to identify areas in the market where the price touched the upper or lower bands of the Bollinger Bands indicator. Let's pause here quickly. If you are not familiar with the whole concept of Bollinger Bands and how to trade with them, which is on its own one of the strongest trading strategies out there, don't worry. Previously, I made completely dedicated session about it and mixed it up with the other ideas like price action, support and resistance levels. Just check it out and you're gonna love it. Then it labels the price candles with the letter R to indicate potential points of trend reversals. When the letter R is colored sky blue, that indicates a bullish reversal candle. And when it's colored yellow, or you can just change the color to your taste, that indicates a bearish reversal candle. These check marks serve as confirmations that the trend reversal has begun, with the next candle following the signal candle. To make our strategy so much better, we're gonna be taking trades where there's a check mark after the R label, like this one. This indicator also changes the candle colors, however, we don't need it to do that. So just access the setting and disable that option. Now, the last indicator that we need to complete this strategy is the volume indicator, this one under technical section. Then we're gonna change some settings. But before doing that, are you looking for an exchange with low fees and a great platform for trading cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum? Look no further than Bybit. I personally use Bybit daily and I highly recommend it. Here's why. Bybit offers low commissions and spreads, perfect for minimizing trading costs in the crypto market. Connect your Bybit account to the MetaTrader app to conveniently trade crypto and other markets all at once. With a maximum leverage of 100x on major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, Bybit allows you to amplify your positions while managing risk effectively. When you sign up using my referral link down in the description, you can receive a bonus of up to $30,000. Plus, there is a chance to win an additional reward in a mystery box while you're signing up, with a potential bonus of up to an extra $5,000. So overall, $35,000. That's crazy, isn't it? Happy trading. Now let's get back to the strategy. Double click on the volume indicator to access the setting, and on the style tab, activate the volume option and change the color to your own taste. Every time these volume bars are above the moving average, that indicates the presence of enough volume in the market, so we will looking to take trades. But when the bars are below this moving average, that would mean that there isn't enough volume in the market, and so we will not take any trades. Now, to trade using this strategy, here's how we're gonna do it. For a long trade, first, the price must pull back into or touch the lower channel of the fair value bands indicator. This indicates the beginning of an end of this short-term bearish trend. Second, the reversal indicator should print a blue R label followed by a check mark. This indicates a trend reversal, the end of this bearish trend, and the beginning of a new bullish trend. This becomes our entry signal candle. Last but not least, we want to confirm that this entry candle has enough bullish volume to push the price all the way to take profit. For that, you just make sure that the last bar of the volume indicator is colored green, and it should also be above the moving average. All our entry conditions are met on this candle, so we're gonna enter a long trade here. The stop loss is gonna be set below the most recent swing low. For the take profit, we're gonna set it at 2 times the risk. We let the trade run and take profit, but let's just pause one more time here shortly. If you want to increase the chance of your profits and push your limits and push it to the edge and make money as much as you can, just before the end of the video, I have a surprise for you, so don't go anywhere. For short trades, we're just gonna reverse all the conditions. First, the price must pull back into or touch the upper channel of the fair value bands indicator. This indicates the beginning of an end of this short-term bullish trend. Second, the reversal indicator should print a yellow R label followed by a check mark. This indicates a trend reversal, the end of this bullish trend, and the beginning of a new bearish trend. This becomes our entry signal candle. Last but not least, we're gonna confirm that this entry candle has enough bullish volume to push the price all the way to take profit. For that, you just sure that this last bar of the volume indicator is colored red, and it should also be above this moving average. All our entry conditions are met on this candle, so we're gonna enter short trade here. The stop loss is gonna be set slightly above the most recent swing high. For the take profit, we're gonna set it at 2 times the risk. We let the trade run and take profit. So here's the time for my surprise for you. If you really want to push the limit and know how to gain more than 1 to 0.5 or only 2 times the risk, and your risk to reward ratio is always going to be somewhere in between 1.5 to 2 if you want to know how to increase that, and even increase the efficiency of any trading strategy, including this one that I'm teaching you. Previously, I made videos about Fibonacci retracement levels and how to combine that with a little bit of taste of price action and supply and demand zones, or let's say support and resistance areas, and combining all of those knowledge and bring it to any strategy, and that's going to be mind-blowing. So I'm going to leave the link both down in the description, and by the end of this video, you can just check it out. There you go. A simple strategy that you can use to take advantage of trend reversals. If you're interested in this strategy, remember to do extensive backtesting and forward testing to see how it would perform over longer periods of time. That's been it for this video. Hope you found some value. If you did, hit the like button below and consider subscribing to stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.